11039 Greenwood Ave North. This time making the recording from our open excavation here on the south side of the building. We're right near the southwest corner of the building. You're looking at the city main. We're going to come back from here. You zeroed out our footage. Slow down. Slow down. Let me pull. There you go. 6-inch diameter original concrete line. This is a shared section of the line between the north side of the building and the south side of the building. Coming from the alley back towards the property. Alright, you see the connection. It's kind of tough to see, but it's on the right side of the screen, upper right corner of the screen. That's the 4-inch by 6-inch connection. That is for the line that wraps around from the north side of the building and connects to this line. I've located that about 5.5, 6 feet deep, right near this section of, there's a bunch of vertical standing concrete sections of pipe here in the yard. So we're going to come back from that. We've seen everything downstream of our trench now. I'm going to go upstream with it. I'm going to pause the recording and record as we come back. Alright, we're going to continue the recording here. I'm pushed upstream as far as I can get from our excavation here. I've zeroed out the footage. What we're looking at there, let me rotate the screen. On the left side of the screen is the sewer connection coming out of the building for those front units. We're up there at the southeast corner of the building now. About 9 feet deep is where this connection point in that turn is. On the back side is a cookie. And we're coming down from there. It's a 6-inch diameter concrete line coming back towards our excavation. And coming up out, let's take a look at the excavation. This is the hole we've dug here. The pipe's cut right now. There's a 4-inch diameter cast iron line that connected to this hole, or this section of pipe in the hole. I'm going to end our video there.